Article number 253. Interstate Council is a constitutional, temporary constitutional body. Interstate Council. Article number, if I am not wrong, it's open your article 253. What it says? Is it Interstate Council?
International agreements.
Open number. So, I'll tell you the article exactly. Please remember, Interstate Council is a constitutional body mentioned in the Constitution. Zonal council are statutory bodies. Zonal councils are statutory bodies, and the governor conference is also just a makeup, just call and makeup. The National Development Council was a extra legal authority. So if you see this, the institution of NDC, the National Development Council and the Governor Conference are not established through constitutional provisions or any law made by the Parliament. Hence they are extra constitutional devices. The NDC was established in August 1952. You might arrange the following in a chronological order: NDC, Planning Commission, Niti Aayog, and some institution will be given. And you have to note it down. When was the NDC was established? August 1952 by an executive resolution of the Government of India. What did I say in the last class? This will be established? It will be through government order. So, executive resolution of the Government of India. It is an open body for discussion and deliberations. Governor Conference is also an extra constitutional device for securing cooperation and coordination between states. You might get a question: what is the motto? What is the use of Governors Conference? It is to establish cooperation and coordination. When the Modi government came, first he talked about federal cooperation. So, apart from extra constitutional bodies, article number open article number 263, not 163, article number 263. It talks about
Respect to
interstate council. Open your constitution, article number 263. It is a interstate council is a constitutional authority between the states, and under the provision the interstate council was established in 1990. Hence it is a constitutional body. The zonal councils are the statutory bodies. Zonal council are statutory bodies, and they are established by the State Reorganization Act (SRA). When the Telangana was formed, what is the heading? What is the law passed by the Parliament by simple majority? State Reorganization Act 2013. Bifurcation of Telangana and bifurcation of Andhra Pradesh into Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. So SRA, याद रखिए, passed by the Parliament. Hence the correct option is A. Clear? So which articles you have learned till now? 263, 324. Election Commission. Next.
Sir, extra constitutional, it can be non-constitutional.
Yes, you can say non-constitutional, extra constitutional, or extra legal device. Any name, but it is not constitutional, not mentioned in the Constitution. Clear?
So is government order or ordinance same?
No, ordinance, government order is a notification. Can be separated. What is ordinance? Ordinance is a executive power of the president. When will be used? Which ordinance is passed now? 2 days before?
Tenure of CBI and ED.
Tenure of CBI in the Hindu newspaper today. How many of you have read the headings? The first it was 3 years. Now it is
2 years.
proposed 2 years. It is proposed to make
5 years.
5 years by an ordinance. When the ordinance will be passed, when the Parliament is not in session, and its validity is only 6 months, and it has to be tabled in the Parliament and approval has to be taken. Finally, ordinance validity is only 6 months, and according to the which act ordinance was given, from which we have learned the company rule as well as the crown rule. Which act talks about the ordinance? I gave in my notes. Which act talks about? How many of you have gone through my notes? Ordinance, provision of ordinance was started. Which act? Go through once, twice, thrice. My printed notes, the digital notes which I am providing. How many of you have gone through? How many of you have downloaded the notes? How many of you have gone through it? So if it is not there, I'll tell you. If it is not there in the printed as well as my written power notes, I'll tell you the ordinance. I'll tell you the act. Because this ordinance started way back in 1773 itself. The power of ordinance was given. It's my notes. So coming back. So any doubts?
Ordinance by rules.
By the executive, by the president.
There was no president in 1760.
Governor General was there. Governor General of India. Governor General of Bengal. He was the president. He was the executive. What did we learn in the first 1773? First the executive came into existence. It used to do the parliament legislature process also. We are going around. First executive started, then parliament, right? So now today what is the executive? If I say today, what is the executive? Who comes in the executive? Executive. We are the permanent. We are aspiring to become a permanent executive. But who is temporary executive? President, Prime Minister, Council of Ministers, and even the Attorney General of India will also come in the executive according to the latest decision of the Supreme Court. Who is the permanent executive? We are the bureaucrats of permanent executive or temporary executive. President, Prime Minister, Council with its Council of Ministers, and even the Attorney General of India also, according to the latest decision of the Supreme Court. Who is Attorney General? Presently, belong to neighboring state.
Sir, he is head of the judiciary.
He is the first law officer. He is the first law officer.
Then how we can say he is the executive?
He is not part of the judiciary. He is a law officer representing the government of India. Representing the government of India
in judicial matters.
Represents government of India in judicial matters. Who is the present Attorney General? Who is the PM? Narendra Modi. Similarly, you have to know these names also. Who is the Prime Minister? Narendra Modi. Who is the President? Ramnath Kovind. Who is the Vice President? Who is the Defense Minister? Finance Minister? Who is the Women and Child Development Minister? Today editorial, the COVID-19, how we have learned. So you have to know this Council of Ministers. For knowing that, how many ministries are there? How many of you started India Yearbook? How many of you started the India Yearbook? Please buy it. Buy and start learning it. At least one chapter. How much? 15 minutes, 10 minutes, even 1 minute. This is very important. So, any more doubts? Can I continue? Next. Which of the following matters on which a constitutional amendment is possible only with the ratification of legislature of not less than one half of the states? Means when the simple majority is there, whenever the federal provisions are affected, the special majority will be required. And whenever the federal provisions are not affected, means 3 lists. Which list? Which article consists of 3 lists? Which article of the constitution consists of 3 lists? Article number 246. Open the article number 246. The 3 lists. Union list, state list and concurrent list. So the election of the president. What is the question? Which of the following are matters on which a constitutional amendment is possible only with the ratification of legislatures of not less than one half of the state? This is nothing but your special majority. So what is the explanation given? I will directly go to the explanation. The election of the president, amendment in any state in the 7th schedule. Article number 2.